Welcome to Auto Drive, your trusted destination for all things automotive. If you're passionate about cars, whether vintage classics or futuristic concepts, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest car reviews, industry insights, and exclusive walkthroughs. Stay tuned till the end of this video for complete coverage of this exciting model and to help our video reach more viewers like you. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the much-anticipated 2026 Volkswagen Corrado. This iconic nameplate from Volkswagen has made a thrilling comeback with a modern twist, blending nostalgic design with futuristic performance and technology. In this review, we will uncover everything from engine specs to comfort features, ensuring you get a complete picture of what this new Corrado brings to the road. Starting with the heart of the vehicle, the 2026 Corrado is offered with multiple engine options depending on the trim. Enthusiasts will be pleased with the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that pushes out impressive horsepower, ranging from 250 to 300 horsepower. The torque is equally responsive, providing strong acceleration and confident highway performance. Some higher trims may even feature a refined V6 engine option for those seeking a more aggressive driving experience. Displacement varies with engine type, optimized for both efficiency and performance. These engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, giving drivers full control over their driving dynamics. The Corrado stays true to its performance heritage with its drive configuration. Most trims come with front-wheel drive, but a more performance-oriented all-wheel drive system is also available for superior traction and cornering stability. This setup is ideal for those who crave both daily driving ease and sporty excitement. Moving into the interior, the 2026 Corrado continues to impress. It offers a premium cabin with a seating capacity for 4 adults. The seats are available in top-quality materials including premium leather and Alcantara inserts, with available options for both heated and cooled functionality. Attention to detail is evident throughout the cabin, with soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and customizable digital displays enhancing the driving experience. Rear seat space is surprisingly generous for a coupe, making this a practical sports car option for small families or weekend road trips. On the outside, the Corrado's sharp, aerodynamic coupe body remains a visual highlight. Its length and width have been subtly increased to provide a more muscular stance while retaining its agile feel. The bold grille, LED matrix headlights, and unique alloy wheel designs help distinguish the 2026 model from the competition. The redesigned rear end features a sleek LED light bar that spans across the trunk, adding to the modern appeal. The body proportions are well balanced with a longer wheelbase that not only improves ride quality but also adds to the sleek silhouette of the car. In terms of suspension and handling, the new Corrado is equipped with an independent suspension system on all 4 corners. This setup, combined with adaptive shocks and a performance-tuned chassis, delivers tight handling without sacrificing ride comfort. Steering is precise thanks to its advanced rack and pinion system with electronic assist, which gives a connected feel on both city roads and twisty backroads. When it comes to braking, Volkswagen hasn't compromised. The Corrado uses ventilated disc brakes both in front and at the rear, with larger rotors on performance trims for quicker stopping power. Brake feel is solid and confidence-inspiring, even during aggressive driving or emergency stops. Safety is another area where the 2026 Corrado stands out. Standard across all trims are multiple airbags, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, and a suite of advanced driver assistance features. This includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems are seamlessly integrated, ensuring a safe yet engaging driving experience for both new and experienced drivers. The infotainment system in the 2026 Corrado is packed with features. A large touchscreen display is standard, offering access to built-in navigation, satellite radio, and a premium audio system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both included for seamless smartphone integration. Some trims also feature a head-up display and customizable digital gauge cluster to provide essential driving information without distraction. Additional comfort and convenience features include dual-zone automatic climate control, keyless entry with push-button start, power-adjustable front seats with memory settings, and a panoramic sunroof on selected trims. Power windows and locks come standard, along with an upgraded cruise control system for long highway drives. There are also several optional packages and special edition trims that cater to different buyer preferences. Some models may come with sportier suspension tuning, unique alloy wheels, and distinctive interior accents such as carbon fiber trim or aluminum pedals. Others might emphasize luxury, with extended leather upholstery, a suede headliner, or real wood inserts on the dashboard. Design-wise, Volkswagen has managed to pay homage to the original Corrado while giving the 2026 version a fresh, modern identity. The blend of classic design cues and modern technology is evident throughout, from the clean body lines to the tech-forward cockpit. The result is a car that not only performs well but also turns heads wherever it goes. In terms of pricing, the base trim of the 2026 Corrado starts around $38,000 United States dollars, with mid-range trims reaching up to $45,000 United States dollars. Fully loaded models with all-wheel drive and upgraded interiors may top out close to $50,000 United States dollars. It's a strong value proposition considering the level of performance, safety, and technology packed into this modern coupe. Throughout its production, Volkswagen has made several updates including software improvements, suspension tweaks for better handling, and expanded standard features across all trims. These refinements ensure that even within its release year, the Corrado remains competitive and desirable in the sporty coupe segment. We hope you enjoyed this complete walkthrough of the 2026 Volkswagen Corrado. If you found this video helpful and want more in-depth car reviews, make sure to subscribe to Auto Drive. We bring you the latest updates from the automotive world with expert insights and detailed analysis. Also, like and share this video to help us grow our community of car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.